Okay. We're doing a diaper change. Yeah, you like that, huh? She absolutely despises diaper changes. It's been a constant battle. She has never gotten to the point where she just lets me do it. She fights me almost every time. So, it's never a pleasant experience. What I've started doing is, see how I hold her underneath there like that. She doesn't tend to fight me as much. I would try doing it holding her tail, but that doesn't always work very well either. She just absolutely despises it. It's gotten to where it's not a pleasant thing for me either, because it's not pleasant. But sometimes she fights me so much on it, it's just like, why? I know she doesn't like it. I do make sure I get the tail really clean, though, because I like to pat her tail throughout the day. It's such a pretty tail. They're all cleaned up. Yeah, all cleaned up, huh? Do one more just to make sure. Make sure we got it all. So what I use is the these are more of a softer tissue. They're Amazon brand, and I actually like them. But I like these two water wipes because they're very, very wet, and makes it so that I don't have to rub it as much on her. So I kind of use both of them. And then we are using Huggies for preemies. She was upgraded from doll diapers to preemie diapers quite some time back. Come back over here. So I put her tail through. I come over here. I push her belly band up. That side, I hold her down. If I let go, she knows it's over and she'll run. Like, watch. Okay, all done. All done. Oh, now you're not going to run. Huh? You're not going to show them. There she goes. There she goes. Go, girl.